All right, you guys, we made it to the first location, so I'm gonna give you guys the first look, the grand reveal of the Golf R with the brand new Rotiform wheels. Let's go. Sight. All right, you guys, it's time to work on the next mod to the Golf R, and it's gonna be putting those Rotiform wheels. If you guys have been following the project, you saw when I picked up the car from the dealer, they gave me a set of Rotiform RSE wheels.
Turn it around just a little bit more.
Oh, wait. Oh, whoa!
Set of Rotiform wheels.
Bro, wow. Now it's time to get some tires for those wheels. I'll be honest, I was calling around locally trying to find a tire shop that would put these Michelin Sport all-season tires that I want. I'm trying to go top of the line, high performance, all season because of the location. And, you know, some tire shops, or a lot of tire shops, wouldn't touch aftermarket wheels. Now, I did find a shop that would do the work, but just to be quite frank and honest, they came back and they quoted me way more for these tires than what they are going for everywhere else. So I'm just like, you know, you quoted me literally almost $100 over the MSRP. That doesn't sit too well with me, and it's kind of unfortunate because they do a lot of other things that I would like to get done there, but that first impression is everything. So make sure when you're out here and you're doing this type of work that you understand and you've done your research and you know prices, and you're not afraid to buy your own parts if you have to, just so that you can get the parts at MSRP and take them to them, let them do the work and stuff like that. Integrity is everything when it comes to business. I'm doing business and I'm also offering free marketing promotion. So now the promotion is gonna go elsewhere. So basically what I've come across is I went online and I just went to Tire Rack. Now this is not sponsored. I don't have any affiliation to Tire Rack, but they have the Michelin Pilot all season 4 tires. As you can see, this is not a cheap tire. Here's the kicker and what really kind of sold me. No contact mobile installer. So basically what they'll do is they'll come to your home with a van that has all of the equipment necessary for mounting tires and balancing the wheel, and they'll put the tires and wheels onto your car. What I did was I called in just to verify, hey, will you put the tires on my aftermarket wheels? He said yes. At this point in time, I'm saving money by going this route. I don't have to go anywhere. The work will be done in the comfort of my driveway of my home or street or wherever they do it, and I get a better deal. So I'm going with these. I'm getting ready to order these in. I'll catch up back with you guys when it's installation day, and I'll share my experience. All right, guys, the time has come for us to get the wheels and tires put onto the car, and they're doing it at my crib. I'm gonna show you guys something super dope. Got the days of pulling up to the shop going out the window. Yeah. As far as tires, I picked the Michelin all season Pilot Sport 4s. They got the overextended lip to help prevent against curb rash, which was a W. That was a big selling point. And also, other than they're like the most recommended high performance tire ever. Y'all can see, man, he got the full shop in the back of the joint. I mean, honestly, with service like this, ain't no reason to pull up to the shop. You can literally have someone pull up to your crib, bring the tires. Matter of fact, y'all see that extra lip right there to protect against that curb rash. Let me make sure they got me. Right, Jones. Yep, Pilot Sport all seasons. All right, so basically what we have here, Rotiform, we got 19 by 8.5 with a 45 offset. Man, I'm telling you, man, it's finna be lit. All right, so lowering springs are next on the list. I actually placed the order. Shout out to itsnotstock.com. Don't trip. I paid for the springs, but my guy made it a lot easier to get some springs for the MK8 Golf R. So those will be coming in. I will be getting these changed out. Still got the stock ones on there. So I went with the ST suspension. Those lowering springs play nice with the DCC, the adjustive, damper control and whatnot. I still want to maintain being able to switch from comfort to sport to race. And then maybe down the road, we'll go to something a little more aggressive. I think I get up to like a little bit over an inch of a drop, even in the front and the back. So, and I found a local shop, an Ideal shop, that'll let me do the spring work there. So we'll eventually be doing that. That's a mod that's coming up. But for right now, we're just gonna put these tires and wheels on here. We're gonna see how they look. And we're gonna see how it sits as well. I'm not expecting nothing too crazy because I already know that stock height is kind of Definitely gonna be lowering this bad boy. You know what I mean? I wanna give it a nice, I don't want it to be too aggressive or too lower because then you lose like ride quality. And that's still important. You still wanna be able to go comfort as well. That's the whole point of a Golf R, is how practical it is. Hey, these Rotiform rims actually look pretty nice. They kinda got like a little metallic flake to them. I didn't even notice that, but now that the sun is out, you can kind of see it. It's hitting. Yeah, they got that metallic finish on them. Oh yeah, I think these are gonna sit right. Yo, it's definitely 2022. I'm sitting in the front of my crib. Someone's mounting tires in my driveway onto a new set of wheels and putting them on my car. Man, I'm big chilling. This is crazy. Yo, shout out to technology. Shout out to innovative thinking. Yo, big shout out to Tire Rack for having this type of idea and allowing this service to happen, especially in the midst of like what we just went through or still kind of going through with this. Like, this is so ideal. The idea that they put a whole tire shop in the back of a van. And another big fact, that they were willing to do my aftermarket wheels. There's shops that I called, all these, what do you call them? These little corporate brands that would not touch aftermarket wheels. I'm like, y'all missing money. I'm getting ready to buy one of the most expensive tires y'all sell, and you wouldn't touch my aftermarket. Tire Rack will. So shout out to them. And this is not sponsored by them. This is just me giving love because they gave me a competitive price on my tire purchase, and they pull up and put them on, and it's not even that expensive. So all in all, man, I'm feeling pretty positive about this whole get down. So I'm looking forward to the finished product. Can't wait till these wheels and tires get put on. You be watching like car YouTube? Yeah. Yep. Tall guy car reviews, Mr. Organic and them? Yep. Yeah, they put the Charger game on.
For real?
You ever heard CJ on 32s? Oh, you gotta check him out.
So this lock ain't fitting.
It ain't gonna fit? No. Word, damn. Okay. All right, so we ran into our first little snag, and the lock nut doesn't fit, but the regular lugs do. So let me try and go shoot up to the auto store. Hopefully they got these lugs. I'm hoping, man. Local auto shops don't have the lug nuts, obviously. I gotta go to the dealer. All right, you guys, so we pulled up on the dealer and we have our wheel lugs. Now let me get up out of here for this UPS truck try to block me in. Hold on. All right, so the only downside about today so far is the fact that I would have been had the wheel and tires on already with the full day to go out and shoot out in the sun and get the content and get some dope shots. So at the end of the day, my hiccup today is a learning moment for us all. You know what I mean? I'm taking the first bumps and lumps for you guys. Now on Rotiform site, it did say something about lock nuts not working with the wheel covers, but I didn't realize that the lock nut just wouldn't work all around with the rim. Now eventually I'll get some aftermarket locks, but for right now we just gonna roll the way we rolling. All right, y'all, time to put the wheels and tires back on.
I seen the track car smoke Hellcats like this.
Yeah, cause all four, it got all four turning. They all, it's sticking. It ain't gonna be sliding like the two door. You be sliding your 392?
Huh?
You be sliding your 392?
Oh,
yeah. Oh, okay, okay.
How you ever rode in a Hellcat?
Nah, I never been in one. Shit, 700.
That's how them Teslas is too.
Right. Those the little Model S joints and little Plaids. Yeah.
The Plaid.
You been in one of those too?
Yeah.
How old are you, bro?
I just turned 23.
Man, get your credit.
Yeah.
Get your credit, my guy. Get on your credit. Like, go on YouTube and learn about it. Like, they got people that look like us teaching us how to get their credit right.
Yeah. Get
Get your credit right, bro. All right, y'all, we made it to my first location where, oh, wait. Let me get y'all right with the ND filter. Woo. All right, you guys, we made it to the first location. So I'm gonna give you guys the first look, the grand reveal of the Golf R with the brand new Rotiform wheels. Let's go. Psych, not just playing.
Run like I don't got in the state. Yeah. Run it up. Yeah. Yeah. Went from MK8 to LA on the run like I don't got in the state. Yeah. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Been 1,020, spent 100. Money come and gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music.
So, as you guys can see in the flesh, it's a little windy out here. You can see the overall way it's sitting, baby. So, as you guys see, brand new Rotiform RSE wheels, 19-inch by 8.5. I won't even lie, it changes it. Now I'm no longer rolling, looking just like a stock, like every other Golf R out there. We got ST suspension springs coming, lowering springs. We should get it down to about a 2-finger instead of this 3-finger gap that's coming from factory. 235, 35 by 19, same size wheel as the stocks. But the difference is we got all seasons. So as you can see, Pilot Sport all season 4s. The latest all-season hookup from Michelin offering, and these are supposed to be really good. I watched some reviews, you guys. I watched someone driving from California to Utah from sunny, sporty conditions to some wintry, slippery, icy conditions and put them to the test in both setups all in one road trip, and they did extremely well. So I'm super hyped about these Michelin all seasons. If you are looking for one of the best all-season tires for your car, oh, my man waved off to me, man. Shout out to him. If you are looking for one of the best all-season tires for your car, I highly recommend you get the all-season Michelin Pilot Sports because they do really well. Now, yes, I could have went with the Continentals. I saw those as well. Those were ranked high. But when I looked at all of the comparison videos and the list, these Michelin Sports were ranked the highest. With that being said, I went with those. They're not the cheapest tire. You are going to spend a nice bag if you do go with these tires, but nevertheless, I think it's worth it. The fact that I could drive high performance all year round is everything. So like when it's snow and slippery, safety is everything. And when it's hot and sunny like it is today, performance is the, priority. Okay, so now that you guys see how the build is coming out, comment down below what more you think I should do with the Golf R. We're gonna be lowering it, that's the next thing, but what else should I do to it? Obviously, I want to wrap it, so if you got a color, let me know. We got the 10 on that bad boy already looking nice. Catback exhaust, intake, things like that, without a doubt. Turbo inlet, you know what I mean? We're going to give the turbo some breathing room. We'll do that. And then eventually when those unlocked maps come out, we'll unlock her true potential. But another cosmetic mod that I've been considering is these silver mirror caps. Whether I'm choosing to wrap them, really considering putting a black carbon fiber on them. Since I wasn't sure of what color we would wrap the car and things like that, I didn't want to jump the gun, but I might just go home and order those because I put those on with these wheels and I think I'm putting together a nice solid look, especially once we lower this bad boy. The stance is going to be crazy. All right, so basically right now what I'm about to do, I'm about to snap some photos. Got to get some photos for the gram. The park people was cool. They waved me, shot the deuces, so hopefully I'm good right here for the moment. Not too many people out, which is perfect. You know how it is when you're a content creator, people staring and being nosy and stuff. But right now, ain't nobody in my business. I feel like I got the whole spot to myself. Super lit. Let me snap these photos. All right, you guys, let's get one last wide angle look at the car, baby. Yeah, she rolling dark with that dark tint. She looking real good. Love it. Woo! Alright guys, so that's it. I'm about to wrap up this video. You guys got to see the wheels. Comment down below any mods you guys want to see me do to the MK8 Golf R. Stay tuned. Yo, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications because we about to lower this bad boy next. Suspension, still got to wrap it. Still got to do a lot more cosmetic things. So hang around, baby. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you.
I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay at. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase, no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase, no sleep, call me jet lag.